ClasStars gives you an unprecedented insight into your teaching dynamics. Here is your class layout with the border color and 2-day meter. The yellow part of the meter shows how much positive academic engagement you gave this student in this class in the last 2 days. The green part of the meter shows how much positive academic engagement you gave this student in this class. The blue part of the meter shows how much overall positive feedback this student has gotten in the last 2 days across all classes. The border color tells you the ratio of positive to negative events that you have for each student. There is research that suggests that the ratio of positive to negative interactions that you have with the student impacts the overall positivity of the environment for that student. The same classroom that is a positive environment for one student could feel hostile to another student, depending on the kind of attention they receive from the teacher. Various ratios have been identified as being significant, so the border color makes it easy to know where you stand with each and every student. A red border indicates that there are more negative events recorded for this student than positive. This is meant to remind you to catch this child being good, because we never want a student to dread interacting with you. Find opportunities to be encouraging and supportive and swipe up. An orange border is a neutral ratio. If a student is 1-to-1 or slightly above, that student will have an orange border. Studies show that this isn't a great ratio, but certainly better than students with a red border. So after those with the red border, these students should be prioritized for positive feedback and encouragement. A yellow border means that the ratio is 3-to-1, positive to negative, or better. A blue border means that the ratio is 5-to-1 or better. A green border indicates a 7-to-1 ratio or better.